Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here in my channel. As you can see, my cables under my desk are so messy, and today I'm going to share with you on how I will do my cable management or how I will fix them without screwing my tape. This is the self-adhesive power strip wall mount that I bought from Lazada for only 80 pesos. This part is for the wall and this one is for the smart power strip. And these are the self-adhesive tapes. This is the cable holder cover that I bought from Lazada for only 120 pesos. This part is for the wall where you can hide your cables, and the other one is for the cover. I bought this smart plug for my monitor and it is also from Lasco Home. It can be controlled through mobile app or voice command through Google Home and Alexa. use this Velcro since the power strip cable doesn't fit with the cable clips. And here is the final look. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!